Welcome, people, bots, and algos of the interwebs. This is the Thursday's edition of the Analyst. Here at the Analyst, we don't give the most in-depth explanation or tutorial. We just give you enough so you can be dangerously Excel equipped. Enough. When should you use index match? I am a big believer of keeping it simple, but you should use the right tool for the job. In this case, the right or appropriate function for the job. When it comes to data, there are a lot of tools to solve your problems. Sometimes other tools and functions have a better use case, like index and match. Two separate functions, but when married, as I like to call index match, it is so much better than Vlookup. So the data set: division, apps, revenue, profit. The aim of our formula: when you select an app, it must show you which division, how much profit the app has made. The structure of an index function: equals index bracket. It requires an array, a row number, and an optional column number. The array includes the dataset that has your answer in it. The row number: how many rows down do you need to go? Column number: how many columns across do you need to go? Structure of a match function: equals match, open parentheses. It requires a lookup value, a lookup array, and a match type, with match type being optional. So the lookup array is the value you want to look up. Now, the lookup value is the value you want to look up. The lookup array is where you are going to find the value. Match type: do you want an exact match, a less than or greater than match? So when you combine index match in Excel, match returns a number to where your result is. An index looks for this number in its array. Once found, index prints your result. Your index match array must always be the same length. Let us start a little exercise. Delete that, delete that, delete that. So we want to display the division that Liberty Mutual Company Holding Inc. belongs to. So it's index, open brackets, index array. Index array we want to get is the division. Division is from A15 to A14, comma, move to the next section, the row number. Now this here, with the row number, I'm going to add my match. Match we're looking for, we use H4, which is Liberty Mutual Holding Company. We select we select the lookup array. Lookup array for match would be from B5 to B14, comma, exact, less than exact match or greater than exact. Close comma of the match, close brackets of the match to close the match, and then close parentheses for index to complete the formula. And does Liberty Mutual Holdings Company belong to Is its division utility? Yes, its division is utility, as you can see. Now, for the profit, just basically the same formula, just different rows, columns, different columns. So it's index, profit. Lookup value. And profit that Liberty Mutual Holding Company Inc. makes it is correct, it's 800. Now, in this section, I have done a little extra. I've added some data validation. To add this data validation, you select the column, select data validation, select list. I've selected C revenue and profit for a list. Now, this formula would be a bit different. So it's index revenue and profit. You say match exact match. Yes. Click tab. Now that just does the first part. The second part is you need to match the list, the profit or revenue, to retrieve the correct profit or revenue. So it's comma match. Lookup value would be profit G8. Your lookup array would be revenue and profit, comma exact match. Oh, I forgot to close the bracket. The indentation. Now for a pièce de résistance, if I select revenue, Liberty Mutual Holding Company has made 17,760 rands dollars in profit, with the emphasis being on the equation working out. That is how you do a index match. Index match can get so much more complicated, but it is relatively really much more better than VLOOKUP. Thank you very much.